નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Students, now the continued chapter number 12, ratio and proportion, exercise 12.1, question number 11. Out of 1800 students in a school, 750 opted basketball, 800 opted cricket, and remaining opted table tennis. If students can opt any one games, find the ratio of. So first of all, in any schools 1800 students, total 1800 students, 750 opted by basketball, 800 students opted by cricket, and remaining students opted by tennis. And then after we have to find the ratio of this following. So first of all, the total number of students, so 1800. So write down total number of students is equal to 1800, right? So number of students opted basketball is equal to how many? 750. Then after, number of students opted cricket, how many students? 800. And the remaining students opted by table tennis, so remaining, so total 1800 and remaining, yani ki this two is subtract, so number of students opted table tennis is equal to 1800 minus 750 plus 800, right? So 1800 subtracting this two, yani ki 1550. So how many? 250 students opted by a table tennis. So total number of students 1800, basketball students 750, cricket students 800, and table tennis students 250. Okay, now we have to find the ratio. So first of all, the first questions, number of students who opted by basketball to the number of students opted by table tennis, yani ki basketball and table tennis, we have to find the ratio. So let's start. Ratio is equal to number of students opted, first of all is given basketball, ratio yani ki divided by number of students opted table tennis, right? So how many students basketball? So in basketball 750, so write down 750, and table tennis, so in table tennis 250, so write down 250. 0 and 0 cut. Here is 75 and 25, so 75 by 25, okay? 15 5s are 75, 5 5s are 5 5 cut, again 5 3s are, it means 3 by 1, so our ratio is 3:1. 3:1, yani ki first question's ratio is equal to 3:1. Okay, now the next questions, again we have to find the ratio, but number of students who opted by cricket and basketball. So write down number of students opted, first of all cricket, and then after basketball. So number of students opted basketball. Okay, so how many students cricket? So in cricket 800 students, so write down 800. And how many students basketball? So basketball students 750, so write down 750. 0 0 cut. Here is remaining 80 and 75. This one is 16 5s are 80, here is 15 5s are 75, 5 5 cut, So our answer is 60 by 15, but we have to write 16 is to 15. 16 is to 15. This means second question's ratio is equal to 16 is to 15. Okay. Now our third questions. So ratio is equal to. So in third question, so first of all basketball. So how many students in basketball? 750. So dear students, I have to write directly. Okay. 750 and divided by total number of students. So total number of students is 1800. Total number of students 1800. 0 cut. 75 and 180. Here is two remaining. 75 and 180. Okay. So now here is the 15 multiplied by 5 means 75 and 12 multiplied by 15 it means 180. 15 cut, so our answer is 5 by 12. It means ratio 5 is to 12. It means third question answer ratio is equal to 5 is to 12. First question ratio is equal to 3 is to 1. Second question ratio is equal to 16 is to 15. And third question ratio is equal to 5 is to 12. So understand dear students the question number 11 for the exercise 12.1. Okay, now our next question is the question number 12. Cost of a dozen pen is rupees 180 and the cost of 8 ball pen is rupees 56. Find the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of ball pen. So first of all cost of the dozen pen, it means dozen. So in dozen how many? So total 12. Right? In dozen how many? Total 12. So 12 pens rupees 180 and the 8 ball pens is equal to 56. Right? So first of all we have to find the cost of pen. So 12 pen this means 180 divided by 12. How we have to write? Because of 12 ball pen, 12 pen cost is equal to 180. So 1 pen cost is equal to how much? So that's why 180 divided by 12. Okay? Understand? So we have to cut in these two. So our answer is 15. Our answer is 15. Then after we have to find the cost of ball pen. So in 8 ball pens 56, it means we have to write 56 divided by 8. How we have to write in this format? Because of 8 ball pens cost is equal to 56 rupees. So 1 ball pen cost is equal to how much? That's why 1 multiplied by 56 and divided by 8. So 8 7s are 56. It means here is the answer is 8. Now we have to find the ratio. So ratio is equal to cost of pen. So write down cost of pen divided by cost of ball pen. So the cost of pen is means 15. Cost of ball pen is means 7. Now 15 and 7 this one is cut possible? Not. So we have to write 15 is to 7. Here is 2 dots. It means is to. So our 12th question answer is 15 is to 7. Okay. Now the next question is the question number 13. Ratio of breadth and length of a ball is 2 is to 5. Complete the following table. यहाँ पे आपको एक टेबल्स दिया गया है, ब्रेथ और लेंथ की वैल्यू दी गई है, बट रेशियो इज इक्वल टू 2 is to 5. नाउ जहाँ पे भी स्पेस है वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, लेकिन रेशियो कितना होता जाए? 2:5 ही होना चाहिए, यानी कि 2 is to 5 ही होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 2 is to 5 means 2 by 5, right? Here is 10 and 25 is given. 10 and 25 is given. So it means multiply by 5, multiply by 5. Numerator and denominator multiply by both number. It means our answer is 10 by 25. First one is clear. Now the next one. So again 2 is to 5. It means 2 by 5. But here is denominator is 50. It means multiply by 10. Denominator is 50. So 5 multiplied by 10 is means 15. So denominator multiply by 10, so numerator also multiply by 10. So 2 multiply by 10 it means 20. So our answer is here to 20. Understand? If you are not understand, see this one. Again we have to write. So our ratio is 2:5. It means 2 by 5. Now the numerator is 40. So this one is our numerator. Numerator कितना है 40 है. तो 2 is multiplied by which number and answer is 40. So 2 multiplied by 20 and then answer is 40. So that's why here is multiplied by 20. So again denominator multiplied by 20 and if 5 multiplied by 20 it means 100. So here our answer is 100. Okay. So this one is breadth 10 by 25, 20 by 50, 40 by 100. This one is all the ratio is equal to 2:5. आप इन दोनों का रेशियो फाइंड करो 2:5 ही मिलेगा. इन दोनों का रेशियो फाइंड करो 2:5 ही मिलेगा. इन दोनों का रेशियो फाइंड करो 2:5 ही मिलेगा. So understands dear student the question number 12 and question number 13 clear?
Thank you for joining us.